Hi and welcome to another unboxing video. So I've actually received this a week ago, but work happens, life happens, and didn't have the time to do so. And now I'm finally looking at this. So I've actually looked at it because I was wondering what is inside. This is actually the Dreamcatcher fan kit. So this is the Insomnia fan kit. Reason why I was looking into it because I was wondering what is this small thing, because usually for fan kits, right, it is definitely larger than this size. So this is probably the smallest fan kit I've received so far. So let's open the clear wrapper around it. So I think I don't need the scissors for this one. Okay. So let me have a quick look. Okay, so this is okay. So much reflection that you can actually see me. All right, this is how the box looks like. There is some. I'm sure you guys can see it. Some effects going on. So if I do it enough, I think you should be able to see some form of red moon. Really cool, right? I think they had this in one of Chunga's album, right? If I remember. So that's really cool. I think you're not supposed to get a full red moon. You're supposed to get the moon, the logo flashing like that. See, really cool. I think they did this for the Samsung Galaxy 4 packaging as well, something like that. So this is the logo that it had. The reason why I'm covering this side because I noticed that my membership card is somewhere over there. So I see a little tab here, but I think got flattened down there. I can't really get to it. So let's try to use a scissor to actually lift this up. Okay. Okay, so that is the Insomnia card. Let me see if I can remove this without tearing anything. Okay. So let me gently get the card out. Sorry, it's off camera because I do not want to show this to you accidentally. So this is how the card looks like. So you have that same logo over there, and I think all these lines, right, these are actually reflective while the rest of the card is actually matte. So that's my name somewhere there, and then it says Dreamcatcher's official fan club first, Insomnia, and then some terms and conditions, I guess. All right, so that's the card. Okay, and then so you can see that she removed the membership card from over here. Okay, so not sure what is this. Let's try to remove it the same way as well. Oh, okay, so I don't think I can do that for this one. Yep, try to. What is this one? Ah, okay. Alright, so you have some profile photos, like passport photos. Like, I think we had this for the Luna's first concert merchandise, right? So they are doing this as well for Dreamcatcher. So you have like Jiu, Sua, Xion, Handong. Sorry, focus. Okay. Yuhyun and Dami. Right. So I think the behind like race Insomnia over there. Okay, so let's put this somewhere there. And you have all the cards and all the signatures behind. So we can have a look at Gahyun signature. Alright, Dami's signature, Yuhyun signature, Handong's signature. Okay, who is this? Oh, there's Xion's signature. Okay, there's Sua and Jiu. Right. Okay, let's look at the pictures itself. Okay, I was thinking that maybe I would be able to have like a collage behind, but no, just all the same design. So you have Jiu, really nice. Actually, I kind of like her in this hair. Okay, in case you guys didn't know, my bias is actually Jiu and actually Gahyun as well. So I mean, Jiu was the one that she started off with. Okay, so they have Suam. Is this in order of age? I wonder. Xion, Handong, Yuhyun, Dami, and Gahyun. Okay, so let's quickly put this back into the envelope in case I lose them. Alright, so that's all for the first layer. Okay, so let's move on, and you have a booklet over here. I think it's a photo book. So you have the red moon or something. So that's like, what is this? Sleeping time, say my name, every time, everywhere, good night. Is this like the contents or something? Oh my god, look at that. Okay, so we start off with Jiu. Pretty. Okay, Sua. Oh wow. I mean, kind of reminds me back in the day where they were doing Good Night, right? Oh yeah, I think it does. I mean, it has the same, what do you call that? Like old hotel feel where they were filming in that hotel. I wonder if that's the inspiration for this photo shoot. I mean, they are going back to how they kind of started, right? Okay, all the dresses are really unique and pretty. Okay, I guess it's kind of a bit of a UNI as well, you know, with all the details on the dresses. Okay, really nice. Wow. Okay. Okay, so this is not exact. Oh wait, there is something behind. Okay, so I was thinking like, you know, maybe this is not exactly a photo book, but I was thinking it's a notepad, but then you have more photos behind each page. I'm sure no one is gonna use this as a notepad. Okay. Okay, let's try to find all the extra photos hidden. Okay. I think some of these photos I would definitely want them to be scanned. Okay, that Handong in a very different concept here for some reason. Oh, Yuhan as well. Okay. So I guess that's the so-called UNI theme that I was thinking about. Okay. Last one. Okay, any more? Okay, there's a group photo. Right. Okay, really nice. So this is, not sure what are all these meaning though. Okay, let's move on. So I think this is the, what do you call that, the night light that we were thinking that we'll get, right? Okay. Okay, so this is how the night light looks like. Not sure which side is the front. Okay, I think there's some kind of plastic protector on it. Okay, let's try to remove it partially because I think I'm gonna put this back on. Okay, so this is how the logo looks like. Really pretty. Okay, let's put that back for a while. So you have some badge with all their names. Now I wonder, what does this symbol means? I mean, is this their like official logo? Because I mean, every album they have been using some kind of what do you call it, the drawings of a Dreamcatcher. So you have a USB Type A connector here. So you know what? Let me try to get a power bank. Okay, a power bank here. Okay, it just happens to be nearby. Lucky me. So I think this is the base. Okay, so it's yeah, made in China. So I think you are able to actually put in what is double A batteries. Okay, unfortunately I don't have any double A batteries, but let's hope that it works without. Okay, let's try to plug this in. Okay, it's definitely working, I think. Okay, let's put this on. Okay, all right, so this is how it looks like. It's a lot more yellow than what you see in the camera right now. Let's see if okay, no, it doesn't really help. I think it doesn't make a difference when the light is on, but it's definitely more yellowish when you see in person. So I think you can actually is it breathing? Yes. So I think you have like several modes. So this is like the breathing mode. So it's going dimming and then it's changing to yellow and red. It's definitely more yellowish than what you're seeing right now in the video. And the red is definitely more like red. Okay. And then this is, I think, it is just switching to different colors. Really nice. Now makes me wonder, like, why are they not giving us a light stick instead of a night light, right? I mean, we can immediately use something like this as a light stick. Okay. Alright, so I guess there's three modes. One is probably the static mode where they don't change color, and another one is this breathing effect, really nice. And then the third mode is the flashing effect. Alright. So hope you enjoy my unboxing, and I'll see you guys on the next one.